Getting enough protein on a vegan diet doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Today, I'm breaking down complete protein in the simplest way possible and showing you 3 delicious recipes that make it easy. If you've ever wondered if you're getting enough protein or the right kinds, this guide is for you. Let's start with the basics. Proteins are made of building blocks called amino acids. There are 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't make. We need to get them from food. A complete protein simply means a food or meal that contains all 9 essential amino acids in good amounts. Animal products naturally contain all 9, but as vegans, we need to be a bit more strategic. The good news? It's actually much easier than most people think. There are 3 simple ways to get complete protein as a vegan. Approach number 1. Eat complete plant proteins directly. Foods like tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, buckwheat, hemp seeds, and chia seeds already contain all essential amino acids. Approach number 2. Combine complementary proteins. Classic combinations like beans and rice, hummus and pita, or peanut butter on whole grain bread create complete proteins together. Approach number 3. Eat varied plant proteins throughout the day. As long as you eat different plant proteins throughout your day, your body gets all the amino acids it needs. You don't need to combine them in the same meal. Now, let's put this into practice with 3 simple high-protein vegan meals. First up, creamy protein-packed breakfast bowl. This quick breakfast delivers 20 grams of complete protein using approach number 1. Naturally complete proteins. Half a cup quinoa, cooked. 2 tablespoons hemp seeds. 1 cup plant milk. Fresh fruit of choice. Optional, cinnamon and maple syrup. Simply combine and enjoy a breakfast with all essential amino acids from just 2 main ingredients. Next up, Power Lunch Buddha Bowl. This satisfying lunch uses approach number 2, complementary proteins, to deliver 22 grams of complete protein. Ingredients: half a cup brown rice, cooked. Half a cup black beans. 1/4 avocado, sliced. 1 cup roasted vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots. 2 tablespoons tahini lemon dressing. The rice and beans create a perfect amino acid profile when combined, while the tahini adds extra protein and creaminess. Finally, our quick dinner option, 15-minute protein-packed stir-fry. This dinner uses approach number 1 and number 3, combining naturally complete proteins with varied plant sources for a total of 25 grams of protein. Ingredients: 4 ounces extra firm tofu, cubed, complete protein source. 1/3 cup edamame, complete protein source. 1 cup mixed vegetables, broccoli, snow peas, carrots. 2 tablespoons tamari or soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon maple syrup, optional. Serve with half a cup cooked brown rice or noodles. Simply sauté the tofu until golden, add vegetables and edamame, season with tamari, and finish with sesame seeds for a protein-rich dinner ready in minutes. There you have it. Complete protein made truly simple. No complex calculations or expensive supplements needed. Just delicious, whole food vegan eating. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more straightforward vegan nutrition guides. What nutrition topic would you like me to simplify next? Let me know in the comments.